You might be at home feeling the weight of life looking so different than it did before. You might be sitting under a pile of laundry or homeschooling your kids for the first time or tired of watching Netflix. I didn't even think that was possible. And maybe there's a voice that's reminding you to not give up on social media. Maybe you're stuck at home and you feel like there's nothing you can post during quarantine. Well, I've got good news for you. You're invited to my free online class, How to Plan, Organize, and Execute a Month of Social Media Posts in 1 day. You'll learn my 4-part content creation system that will get you feeling from blah to blazing on Instagram. Be sure to save your seat for this live class at jasminestar.com/plan. And when you show up live, I'm going to be showering you with some goodies. Yes, a hashtags guide, the top 20 hashtags for the top 20 industries. It's time for you to show up with a plan so you never run out of anything to post again.